Hi guys, long time no see. Happy New Year. I know it's been a long time, but Happy New Year guys. And sorry for the late video. Anyway, a great way to start the new year is with a facial routine. And this is budget friendly as well. And also, let's not forget, it's also super easy, super skin loving and amazing. Anyway, without further ado, let's move on to this video and let's get started. You're gonna need a face brush, you're gonna need a mixing stick and a mixing bowl, you're gonna need bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, you're gonna need clear honey, make sure it's natural, you're also going to need a shower cap, you're gonna need a face towel or a normal towel if you want, coconut oil, and a spoon. I've dipped my spoon in coconut oil to make the honey slip right out, and it makes it easier to wash as well. I'm gonna use like 2 spoons of this. Then after that, I'm gonna put it in the bowl. Yep, clear honey. And now I'm gonna put the baking soda, and I'm gonna mix it. You want to have this nice yellowish color, and it has to have this not so sticky texture, and it has to be really sweet. Now that I have the mixture ready, I'm gonna use this brush to pin it all over my face and leave it on for 30 minutes. I'm gonna spread it using the stick and the face brush. Then after that, I'm gonna wait for 30 minutes while the carrots are really good snack alternatives in case you want to be looking trim and healthy as well, inside and out. I'm gonna use my charcoal facial wash to wash my face, and I'm gonna use my Acne Away cream to moisturize my skin when I'm done with this mask. Now I'm gonna use the Acne Away cream to moisturize my face, and I'm gonna put on every single side. And that was the facial routine. I hope you guys liked it. Please remember to like this video, subscribe, and leave your comments and opinion in the comment section down below. I'm gonna be trying to do more videos like this to come, hopefully. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And please keep watching Iconic, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!